Today we are going to model the second model. So the model is displayed here. So in this model also it is given the three views: front view from this side, right view from this side, and the top view from the above. First to study this model, how to do this model in CATIA V5. So let us start the CATIA. As I told you already, when you start CATIA, it starts by default with product. First you need to close this product, then go to start, mechanical design, then part design. So then I told you, if you want to give the name, you can give the name, otherwise you just say OK. So it opens in part design. So in the part design, by default the part name is part 1. There are 3 planes because this is a 3D space. So you need to select the planes based on your imagination. So that selection of the plane depends from person to person, how he perceive the problem, how he perceive the model, or you can say how he analyze or how he study the problem. The selection of planes depends on the person or the observer. So let us move to the model now. So the model is like this. It looks like a box only, but there is a slice here. From it includes these 2 points and end at this point. End at this point means it is 6 mm away from this line. So how to do this? So now I am going to start this from the front view. Front view means I will draw this line, and I will draw the straight line like this. I will draw the straight line only, but I will make this cut in the some other feature. So let us enter into the CATIA. Now I am going to select this plane. Why I am going to select this plane? Because I am drawing from this front view. So I am selecting this plane and enter into the sketcher. So now I am going to take the profile as the tool. Then I am going to draw like this, again like this, here, and end this. So it is looking like this. Now you have to give the dimension for this. Now I am giving the dimension. This is the dimension. This is one more dimension. This is another dimension. And this is a one dimension. And you need to give this dimension. So now look at the color of the sketch. Now color of the sketch is completely green. It means your sketch is fully constrained or ISO constrained. Now you need to change the dimension, the dimensions given in the model. So this is 50. From here to here it is 50. So this is 50. Now I'm going to change, this is 50 dimension. Then similarly, so this is a 12 is there. This side 12 is there. Now I'm going to give the 12 dimension. So this is a 12, and this is also 12, right? And look at the total height of it. Height is 33. Now I'm going to change this as 33. Okay, now all the dimensions are perfect except this. So this one also, look at here, he has given this is 18 now. So now I'm going to change this as 18. So this is the perfect, and this is the ISO constraint or fully constrained. So whenever you want to add material in the 3D space or in the part design, first you need to analyze the sketch. So in the first model I will not told anything about the sketch analysis. Now I am to add tools, sketch analysis. In the sketch analysis you will observe, so this is a closed sketch. When you have closed sketch, then only it is possible to add the material, or it is possible to use the pad option. Otherwise it will not allow you to add the material in the part design. Now your sketch is perfect. Now exit means you are entering into the part design from the sketcher. So now I'm going to add the material. I'm using the pad now. So to add the material, how much material I need to add? So this distance he has given as 40. You need to add the 40 mm material to it. I have drawn only this sketch now. I want to add the material to it. So add the material, select the pad. So now you add 40, then enter. So this is your model, but this model looks exactly this, but there is a cut here. How to do this cut now? I'll explain. So now he has given in this is a 6, means you need to take one point here, one point at this point. So to take this point, I'm entering into the sketcher by selecting this face now. So now I want to draw a point. See, this is a point. I'm putting the point on the line here like this. But this point is not exactly on this line now, but it should be, it must be on that line only. Now go to the dimension, select this point and this line. These two should be coincidence because the point is on that line now. Now you give one more dimension, select this point and this one. So he has given this as the 6 in the dimension. Now give this is the 6. Now look at the point. Point is also looks in the green color, means the point is also perfect. The point is also iso-constrained now. Now exit from this. Now you are entering into a partisan again. So you need to construct a plane passing through this point, again this point and this point. That is how it is given in the model drawing. So now I'm going to construct a plane. Select the plane. So in the plane option, you are having so many options to draw the plane. You need to select particularly the plane passing through 3 points. It is there here. Select this. You select 3 points. One from this, one from this point, and one is this. So say OK. Now you constructed the plane. So this plane is passing through this point, and this point. Now I am going to cut this model by this plane by using the recently constructed plane. Here is the option. Go here and select inside. There is a split option is there. Select the split option. How you are going to split? I'm going to split about this plane. So then just say OK. See, next your model is ready. So this is how your model looks now. Now you just, this point is there, you hide this, hide it. So this is your model. Even you hide this plane also. So the hide it. So this is your exact model now. For this model we need to draw a drawing now. So how you are going to make a drawing? I told you already in the first model, start, mechanical design and drafting. So it will take some time to open, as you know. So then just press OK. So first I told you, you need to draw the front view. So select the front view, then go to the window, select the part 1. So now I'm going to select this is the front view now. Select this as the front view. So like this it is. So then press it here. OK. So it is like this. So for this you need to draw the top view. Go here, select this is the projection view. Select this. So like this, it comes like this, right? So then for this you need to give the dimensioning. So here dimension is there. Select this as a dimensioning. So now I'm going to do this as the 50. So you just move this somewhat below to make it very clear. This is a front view. So this is 50, and next give another dimension from here to here. What is the dimension? This is 33 dimension is there, and one more dimension you need to give. So this is the another dimension. So right. So then you need to give this dimension as well. This is 12. Again this dimension as well. This is also 12. And next one is in this way. Next you need to give the dimension in the top view. So if you want to give the dimension in the top view, just double click to activate that view. So then you need to give the dimensioning. So here, so this length, that is 40, we'll see it in the top view only. So this is a top view, means this way 40, I can see it from the top view. So this dimension you have to give it in the top view only, right? Then there is a one more dimension is left out. That dimension is 6 now. So here you need to give from this point where you are giving this point from here to here. So it is showing in the angle, but you have to give it in the dimension representation. Okay. So it is showing in the angle, so you need to give it the point. So you need to take the intersection of this here by considering the lines. Here, go to here, then select the point, you take intersection of the point. So from here to here you'll get the intersection point. For this intersection point you need to give the dimensioning. From this point to this point you have to give. So this is 6. This is a 6 dimension because you already constructed by using the 6 dimension. As I told you, this one and this one you need to hide it. Similarly here also, double click on this line and this line, you need to hide it. Right? So this is your drawing for this particularly. So if you want to see properly these all the parameters, you go here. This is 3.5 font size is that. Go here and select 7 or you select 5. Then you see the dimensions very clearly. So this is how the second model you need to do it.